My client charged me, say me fi talk about high blood pressure. I've did it before, but I bet you none of your doctor never explain high blood pressure like this. Watch the punchline here. So high blood pressure one of the easiest thing to get rid of. What is high blood pressure? High blood pressure is when the lumen, which you call the vein, the arteries, all of the vein them will carry blood to and from, oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. It becomes bombarded and compact with fat cells. So inside of the hose them, your vein and your artery, inside of the hose is like you put some gravel in it. And the gravel are fat cells. Where them are fat cells are come from? Night eating. Nobody as human should eat past 6 p.m. Because the body, even when they block the sun and the sun, you know, see the sun? The body work with the sun. The ancient knew this. Yes, ancient Kemet, they know this back in the Indus Valley. So what happen now? When the sun rise, your body, your organ them rise and ready pumping to work. That's why early morning for rise up and do work is the best thing. Now, when the sun goes down, the organs them shut down. No make them trick you and I buy a book, but when you're near my night, your body still a digestive food. Lie. Your body throw the food to the side. Now when you get up tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day, and you count up to years, eating past 6 p.m., all the body do is throw those to the side and concentrate on the present food that you're eating now. Now, look how much I wait near past 6 p.m. for years. So you know, so then years what of food, they are them lodge in our muscle, are them lodge in the veins and arteries and cause high blood pressure, because through the blood of force through the hose, through your veins and arteries, it put it under pressure. Now the same night near me I eat that cause starch for lodge in muscle and cause poor blood circulation. I eat same one cause acidic muscles we can't heal after you get a wound, and then name me and label it diabetes. I eat same one cause fat cells over your heart for you can't breathe properly. I weaken the knee and make the knee have mucus in it and take up the synovial fluid from the knee, so your knee start have dry joints where your knee go cup. They make noise like a man a walk in a water boat with water. Now, my people, you can all you have to do to get rid of high blood pressure, shut your mouth, I go up on fasting. But the fast you have to be constructive, and like the Christian fast where you do just water. You have to drink fruit water or eat fruit smoothie or salad bowl. And you have to stay upon it as long as the body can take to move the reserve food them where you have log up and lodge in your body over years. And this is why I'm saying come over here, do the full body detox, because the dirty gut cleanser in it we go wash your colon, wash the scum from for your stomach. You understand? Yeah, man. So if you wish, if you want help, if you remove the extreme food them out of your body and do a cleanse so that your body concentrate on the fat cells here and the food that will lodge in your body, and you want clean out. Yeah, man, come over, man. See it right here, so, man. Detox and retox package, the website is there, but you can help yourself. If you don't have the money, you don't want to buy yet, just shut your mouth. We eat too much. Fasting is you going faster, but the opposite of fasting is food slowing you down. Them program are not too much and yam too much. We are no fruitarian, and who might tell, we might be reach breatharian. Yeah, man, new book, Earth, Amazon, on the website here in Jamaica. New mindset. Get the book, Earth, book 1.